Topographical surveyors in Noida play a crucial role in the development and planning of the city. With their expertise in measuring and mapping the physical features of the land, these professionals provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and urban planners. Noida, being a rapidly growing city in Uttar Pradesh, requires topographical surveyors to accurately assess the terrain and make informed decisions regarding infrastructure development, land use planning, and environmental conservation. These professionals use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to collect data on elevation, contours, vegetation, drainage patterns, and other relevant factors that impact the design and construction of various projects. The services provided by topographical surveyors in Noida are not limited to just mapping the land. They also help in identifying potential risks and hazards that may affect the safety and stability of structures. By conducting thorough surveys and analyzing the collected data, these professionals can identify areas prone to landslides, flooding, or other natural disasters. This information is vital for architects and engineers to design buildings and infrastructure that can withstand such risks. Additionally, topographical surveyors can also assist in determining the suitability of land for specific purposes, such as residential or commercial development, ensuring that projects are built on stable ground. The importance of topographical surveyors in Noida cannot be overstated. Their expertise is essential for the overall development and growth of the city. By accurately mapping the physical features of the land, these professionals enable efficient urban planning, ensuring that resources are used wisely and infrastructure is built in a sustainable manner. Moreover, their work helps in minimizing environmental impact by identifying ecologically sensitive areas that need to be preserved. In Noida, topographical surveyors are essential to the growth and planning of the city. These experts offer significant information to architects, engineers, and urban planners with their proficiency in measuring and recording the physical properties of the terrain. Topographical surveyors are needed in Noida, an urban area in Uttar Pradesh that is experiencing significant growth, to precisely assess the terrain and make choices on infrastructure development, land use planning, and environmental preservation. These experts gather information on elevation, contours, vegetation, drainage patterns, and other pertinent aspects that affect the design and construction of various projects using cutting-edge surveying tools and methods. Topographical surveyors in Noida offer more than simply land mapping as part of their range of services. Additionally, they aid in spotting potential dangers and threats that can jeopardize the structural stability and safety. These experts can locate places vulnerable to landslides, flooding, or other natural disasters by conducting detailed surveys and interpreting the data gathered. For the purpose of creating structures and infrastructure that can survive such hazards, architects and engineers need this information very much. In order to guarantee that projects are constructed on firm